And soon, day faded to night and they re-emerged. They glow under ultraviolet light so they can recognize one another. In the shadows, there lived another mythical creature, the ornate harvestmen. They scavenge the dark terrain for whatever food they can find. By day 90, the dry season had come. There was no more rain and the ground began to dry out. I carefully removed every last animal from the tank, but not for the reason you might think. Because on day 94, a dry thunderstorm was about to begin. A wildfire. It quickly began to spread. Everything began to burn until every last plant was